Hello, children. Good morning. I hope you're having a great day today. This is Miss Mel, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, we are going to learn about different colors. Are you ready to learn? If you are, let's start. Color red. Let's see some examples of color red. Red apple, red heart, red lips, red ribbon, and red chili. This is color red. Next, we have color yellow. Let's see some examples of color yellow. Yellow duck, yellow banana, yellow sun, yellow cheese, and yellow corn. Again, children, this is color yellow. Next, we have color blue. Let's see some examples of color blue. Blue bird, blue car, blue whale, blue balloon, and blue cap. Once again, children, this is the color blue. Next, we have color green. Let's see some examples of color green. Green frog, green leaf, green peas, green cactus, and green t-shirt. Again, this is the color green. Our next color is color purple. Let's see some examples of color purple. Purple ribbon, purple eggplant, purple grapes, purple octopus, and purple yam. Again, this is the color purple. And now we have color orange. Let's see some examples of color orange. Orange pumpkin, orange juice, orange carrot, orange cone, and orange ball. This is the color orange. Next we have color pink. Let's see some examples of color pink. Pink butterfly. Pink piglet. Pink flower. Pink shoes. And pink flamingo. This is the color pink. Our next color would be color brown. Let's see some examples of color brown. Brown chocolate. Brown cupcake. Brown bear. Brown acorn. And brown monkey. This is the color brown. Now we have color black. Let's see some examples of color black. Black shovel. Black spider. Black bat. Black cat. And black umbrella. This is the color black. And last we have color white. Let's see some examples of color white. White cloud. White rabbit. White sheep. White dove. And white tooth. This is the color white. Now, let's do some exercises. What is the color of the chili? Red. The chili is color red. What is the color of the chocolate? Brown. The chocolate is color brown. What is the color of the frog? Green. The frog is color green. What is the color of the banana? Yellow. The banana is color yellow. What is the color of the octopus? Purple. The octopus is color purple. What is the color of the spider? Black. The color of the spider is black. What is the color of the butterfly? Pink. The color of the butterfly is pink. What is the color of the dove? White. The color of the dove is white. What is the color of the car? Blue. The color of the car is blue.